Zava is growing, and their old expense process? Slow, manual, frustrating. They need a smarter way. On Microsoft Marketplace, Zava finds Ramp's expense management solution built on Microsoft's trusted platform. Transformation begins with a click. Employees get Ramp corporate cards so they can make approved purchases fast. Questions about policy? Ask in Microsoft Teams. Ramp's AI policy agent, powered by Azure Foundry, responds quickly. The agent also reviews expenses for compliance. It approves valid spend, rejects violations, and flags for review. Finance teams only focus on expenses that need attention, saving time. Behind the scenes, Ramp's software connects with Dynamics 365 Business Central to pull policy data, reconcile automatically, and sync approved transactions. Real-time visibility into spend, powerful analytics for smarter decisions, built-in controls for global compliance. Ramp is leading the way with financial intelligence powered by Microsoft. Build on Microsoft's platform. Connect across Dynamics 365 and Microsoft 365, and scale globally with Microsoft Marketplace.